This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 53,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Gene Evans Team Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4355 Jonesboro Road in Union City.